Paisley! Time to wake up! What's that? What's that on the steps? Look on the steps. Down there. What is that?
No.
What is it?
Bag.
It's a basket.
Basket.
What's...
Egg.
Who was here?
No egg.
Was that from the Easter Bunny?
Easter bunny.
The Easter Bunny left you a basket. And an egg. Let's go.
Let's go.
We gotta find him. He hit him.
More egg.
Paisley. Paisley, are there any more eggs? Where are the other eggs? It's hatching. Well, don't you want to put it back in your basket? Paisley, there's more eggs. Try to find them.
Find eggs. Find it. Get it.
There's more eggs over there. You see them?
Nothing.
Nothing? What about in the kitchen, maybe?
They're clean. Find it. Get it back. Purple and pink.
Nice.
There you are. There you are.
Nice.
And eggs. More eggs. More eggs. More eggs. Let's go home. Oh, tiny.
All right. I guess we'll find the other eggs throughout the day, huh? Say bye. Happy Easter.